Mississippi lawmaker introduces Contraception Begins at Erection Act. The bill, which is unlikely to pass, would make it unlawful for a person to discharge genetic material without the intent to fertilize an embryo. Mississippi State Senator Bradford Blackman, a Democrat, introduced a bill this week that would seemingly ban men from masturbating or engaging in other sexual acts when they have no intent to fertilize an embryo. The bill, titled the Contraception Begins at Erection Act, would make it unlawful for a person to discharge genetic material without the intent to fertilize an embryo. It includes exceptions for sperm donation and using contraception to prevent fertilization. The bill, introduced Monday, would impose fines of $1,000 for a first offense, $5,000 for a second offense and $10,000 for any subsequent offenses. The bill is unlikely to pass the GOP-led legislature, but if it does and is signed into law by Governor Tate Reeves, a Republican, it would go into effect in July. Blackman, a first-term senator representing a district north of Jackson, the capital, did not immediately respond to requests for comment. In a statement to NBC affiliate WLBT of Jackson, Blackman referred to the high number of state legislative bills introduced in recent years that target women's access to reproductive health care, specifically abortion and contraception. All across the country, especially here in Mississippi, the vast majority of bills relating to contraception and/or abortion focus on the woman's role when men are 50% of the equation, he wrote. This bill highlights that fact and brings the man's role into the conversation. People can get up in arms and call it absurd, but I can't say that bothers me. Since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022 and ended the constitutional right to abortion, legislatures in Republican-led states have increasingly sought to restrict abortion and contraception access. Currently, 12 states, including Mississippi, have total or near-total abortion bans, while an additional 6 states ban abortion from 6 to 12 weeks of gestation, according to KFF, a nonprofit group that researches health policy issues. By mid-2024, 8 states had enacted or proposed restrictions on women's access to contraception, according to the Guttmacher Institute, a research group that supports access to abortion. Alexandra Marquez. Alexandra Marquez is a politics reporter for NBC News.